Hi all the students of Narayana 9th standard. Today here I am in front of you all to discuss the assignment number 26, the topic center of mass and collisions. Now according to your topic, the first question which you are having in your assignment is a man of 50 kgs is standing on one end of a boat. Okay, now let us take that. Man's mass, let us take it as m is equals to 50 kg and he is standing at one end of a boat of length 25 meters and mass 200 kgs. Now let us take the mass of the boat is 200 kg and this particular person is standing at length to 25 meters and so length of the boat is given as 25 meters. Now if he starts running and when he reaches the other end he has a velocity of 2 meters per second. That means velocity of man is given as 2 meters per second. Now velocity of boat we have to find out. So with respect to the boat, the final velocity of the boat is question mark. So the final velocity of the boat, if you want to find out, then what you will be doing is you equate this with the law of conservation of momentum. Then law of conservation of the momentum is mass of the man into mass velocity of the man, which is equals to the total system if you are considering, which is capital M plus small m into Vb. If you want to find out the velocity of boat, you can easily write down Vb is equals to small m Vm by capital M plus small m, which is equals to small m is 50 and velocity of man is 2 by capital M is 200, which is mass of the this is the total mass of isolated system, and here if not isolated system, total mass of the total system, and here m is 200 and this m is 50. So how much you will be having? 100 by 250. So 0 zeros gets cancelled, 5 2s are 5 5s are. So the velocity of boat Vb is equals to 2 by 5 meter per second. So hope this question is helpful for you. Now this velocity of boat is found at 2 by 5 meter per second, which is option number 1. Now let us go for next question. Now here the second question is given like two particles A and B initially at rest move towards each other under a mutual force of attraction at the instant when the speed of A is V and the speed of B is 2V, the speed of the system is. Actually in this case what happens is they both are moving towards each other and they are having a mutual force of attraction between them and they are moving towards each other, and one is moving with V and another one is moving with 2V. Now when you want to find out the speed of the complete system here, if you observe the speed of this one and this one, let us take this is A, this is B, and this one is moving with velocity V and this is moving with velocity V 2V. This side they come approach to each other, but the center of mass of this isolated system is not going to change, and that center of mass of the isolated system is going to be 0, right? It's not going to change. So hope this is helpful. Let us go with next question. Now coming to this question, in this question mass 1 kg is given, 1.5 kg is given, 2 kg is given, and m kg is given, are situated at 2, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 1, and another one like the third mass is also situated like 2, 1 minus 2, 1, and the center of masses also are given, like last m is also located like minus 1, 4, 3, and if you observe here, the center of masses are also given. This is the center of mass actually. To observe, these are the center of mass, like this is x center of mass, and this is y center of mass, and this is z center of mass, ZCM. When coming to this, you can take it as x1, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x2, y2, z2, and x3, y3, z3, x4, y4, z4, because there are 4 masses. Let us take m1, m2, m3 and m4. m4 is m, capital M. Now let me write that. m1 is equals to 1 kg, m2 is given as 1.5 kg, and m3 is given as 2 kg, and m4 is given as capital M. Now to find out this value of m, we can even use x, y or z. Now I will like to use x. So my x center of mass is given as, and x center of mass is 1. Now x1, y1, sorry, x1, x2, y2, x2, x3, x4 values I will take. Only x components I will take because I would like to find this value of m. I will use any of the center of mass formula and try to find that m. So now x1 value is how much? x1 is 2, x2 is how much? 2, x2 is 1, sorry, x2 is 1, x3 is 2, x4 is minus 1. Now x center of mass formula is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 plus m4 x4 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4. So how much you will be getting over here is x center of mass is 1, whereas coming to here you will be having 1.5, 2. So you will be getting 2.5, 4.5. 4.5 plus m will be your denominator, and in the numerator how much you are going to have? In your numerator you are going to have m1 is given as 1, x1 is given as 2, m2 is given as 1.5, x2 is given as 1, m3 is given as 2, x3 is given as 2, m4 is given as m, x4 is given as 1, minus 1, right? And now if you try to substitute these values and get the answer, you will be getting 4.5 m, 4.5 plus m is equals to 2 plus 1.5 plus 4 minus m, right? So minus 1 into m is minus m. So now what happens? So 4, 5, 6, 7.5. We'll be having 7.5 minus m. So if you want this value, you will be getting 2m is equals to 7.5 minus 4.5, right? 3. So you will be getting m is equals to 3 by 2. So m value is 3 by 2, which is nothing but equals to 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg. So from here you can find this m as 1.5 kg, which is option number 3. Hope this is helpful for you. Let us meet in the next assignment. Until then, bye.